Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Nest Cam, quick install step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Nest Cam and ensure all parts are included. Next, locate the mounting position where you want to install the camera. Use the included screws and anchors for secure installation on the wall or surface. If mounting outdoors, ensure the camera is sheltered from direct rain. Once positioned, mark the holes for drilling. Drill the holes at the marked spots if you are using screws. Align the mounting bracket with the drilled holes and secure it. Now, take your Nest Cam and attach it to the mounting bracket. Make sure the camera is facing the desired direction for optimal viewing. Next, plug in the power adapter to your Nest Cam. Route the power cable to an electrical outlet, ensuring it's safe and hidden. Now, download the Google Home app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Select Add and then choose Set Up Device. Pick New Devices and select your home location. The app will search for nearby devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Nest Cam to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted, then press Connect. Once connected, customize your camera settings as desired. You can adjust motion sensitivity and set up alerts in the app. After settings are adjusted, finalize the installation process. Test the camera feed to ensure it's working correctly. Check the live view and ensure the camera captures the area you intended. Congratulations, your Nest Cam is now successfully set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.